Jain student, today we are going to discuss the another topic in the chapter private, public and global enterprise, that is public private partnership. Public private partnership describe the government service or a private ventures which is funded operated through a partnership of government and one or more private sector companies. These scheme also referred at P3 PP or P3. For example, hospital building financed and constructed by the private developer and these leased on to hospital authority. The private company act as the landlord and provide housekeeping service and other non-medical service where the hospital service are provided by the hospital authority, that is government. The features of public-private partnership is that contract between the public sector and the private sector. The public-private partnership is contract between the public and private sector authority and private party in which the private party provide the public service and bear the financial, technical, operational risk. Next, cost of using service. In some type of PPP, the cost of using the service is borne by the user of service, not by the taxpayer, and in the some cost of the providing service is borne wholly on the partly by the government. Next, provision of the capital subsidy. The project that aim creating the public goods in the infrastructure sector, the government may provide a capital subsidy in the form of the one type grant and to make it the more attractive to provide sector. In some cases, government may provide revenue subsidy including tax break or by providing guarantee annual revenue. And next, pertaining the high priority project public welfare. The private public partnership is suitable for a high priority project such as infrastructure sector and PP used to government project targeted public welfare, example Delhi Metro Rail Corporation. Next, sharing of a revenue of the PP is shared between the government and the private enterprises agreed ratio. And problem with private public partnership is that the main problem with the PP is the project that the investor obtaining the rate of the returns that was higher than the government bond rate, even though the most of the income is borne by the public sector. Here are the example of the case study to understand the public-private partnership. To overcome the difficulties faced by the public in a public transport system, the Government of India started the metro project in which the government involved the private sector participation to get the benefits of efficiency of private sector. The project was great success at lack of people enjoying the metro service to move from one place to another. Question A. State type of enterprises mentioned in our last and name the PP providing the metro service in Delhi. I give any two features of PP. So here are the state the type of enterprise mentioned in our case, that is public private partnership, and name of the PP providing the Delhi, that is DMRC Delhi Metro Rail Corporation. Thank you.